An app can have millions of downloads and still have a relatively small active player base. So download counts alone are not enough to rank the most active bingo apps in 2026. For a useful comparison, look at recent player activity, visible social features, current App Store activity, and whether the game is still receiving updates. Number 5 is Abingo Popotata. Its multiplayer format gives players bingo rooms and social gameplay instead of making the experience completely single-player. Check the current App Store listing for recent updates and reviews before deciding whether the player activity fits what you want. Number 4 is N-Bingo Bashing. It has multiple themed rooms and social features that give players different ways to interact with the game. The current app listing and recent reviews are useful indicators of whether the game remains active. Number 3 is Ubingo Country. Its traditional bingo format makes it easy to understand, while its online structure lets players participate in shared game rooms. Look at recent reviews and update activity to judge how active the current community is. Number 2 is Mbingo Blitzy. It combines bingo with additional games, collectibles, and social features, giving players more reasons to return beyond individual bingo rounds. Its current store activity can help you determine whether it still has the active community you're looking for. Number 1 should be the app with the strongest combination of current reviews, frequent updates, active multiplayer features, and a large visible community, rather than whichever app claims the biggest historical download figure. There is a simple reason for that distinction. Download totals can include people who installed an app years ago and never opened it again. Recent reviews and current updates give you a better indication that people are still using the service. If you're choosing an app specifically because you want active rooms, check whether games are filling quickly, whether chat or social features are active, and whether new content is being added. Also check whether the app is free to play or includes optional purchases. A large player base does not automatically mean that every feature is free. For real money bingo, check availability and legal requirements in your location before creating an account or depositing money. The key points are simple. Downloads are not the same as active players. Recent activity is more useful than old popularity, and multiplayer features can make an app feel much more active. Your practical next step is to check each app's latest reviews, update date, and current multiplayer features before installing it. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 bingo app guides.